Good morning, it is another day. So I haven't got really anything that I need to be at home for today. So I'm hoping to be able to go out unless that changes. I don't think it will, to be honest. So I'm gonna go to my local town centre and pick up some Pokemon cards for Jagger because I made a mistake yesterday evening of making a big thing about the things that I got for Regina and had completely forgotten to have something ready for Jagger, so I need to go and pick him up some Pokemon cards because he was like, where's my thing? And if you know any little thing about autistic people, kiddywinks, they have pretty amazing memories, at least in my experience. So he is not going to let this drop. He is going to be expecting those Pokemon cards after school, and Mummy has to supply them. Which I honestly don't mind doing because, you know, I'm going to get some extra steps in and every little bit helps, etc, etc. I don't know if I'm going to go anywhere else. I think Andrew might want to pick up some underwear whilst we're down that way. I'm sure he won't mind me saying, but he was also quite recently diagnosed with autism. So I'm carer for both Andrew and Jagger at present. We are currently waiting for an assessment to take place for Regina because she has a lot of similar traits to both Andrew and Jagger, but autism tends to show differently in female children, adolescent age range. So yeah, I have a lot on my plate outside of all the shenanigans that go on here, that go on with the ceiling, outside people's. It's a lot for one person, so yeah, that's the thing. if I ever look like I'm not put together, it's, you know, it could be any number of reasons. I've tried to look a little bit more together today. I think I'm looking a little bit healthier and happier. I think from what I'm seeing in the camera, I've got a little bit more colour in my cheeks, so that's kind of nice. Not looking like death warmed up. So I am back from my very short shopping trip. Today I picked up, let me just grab them all. So I picked up my favourite nails. I tried to pick these up every single time I'm in Primark because I am worried that, you know, once they're gone, and I'll never be able to have them again, and it would just ruin my life. Yeah, so these are my absolute favourite nails of all time. Got two of those, and then I got two square gloss in this kind of reddy, slightly leaning towards a pinky kind of colour. I don't know, I haven't got any red false nails just now, so I wanted to pick those up too. Very exciting. I picked up some socks because somehow we are always needing socks. Like, no matter how many pairs I buy, we always need them. Drives me mad. We went on like sock frenzy just before December, and now it's literally impossible to find a pair, an actual matching pair. It's really ridiculous. It's a sock jumble in my drawers. I picked up some underpants for my little honey bun, and Andrew picked up some underpants for himself also. And I got some tights to wear with my shoes and my dresses. No doubt Regina will probably nick at least 2 pairs, because I don't know how she does it, but she's always putting holes into her tights, and it's kind of become so much of a joke that for Christmas somebody at her school bought her like a 3-pack or something. It was hilarious. She was like, this is the worst gift ever. I'm like, no, Reg, that's totally practical. Those are the sort of gifts that, you know, you should treasure. Totally unrelated to the clothes haul, but I love gherkins. I'm a gherkin fiend. Going to be having those. Yeah, I'm gonna have like a little salad kind of situation. It's really what I fancy just now, as I'm in my good head moment. Jagger's got 2 packets of Pokemon cards, obviously from the little shenanigans I was telling you about this morning, about him not getting anything and me just having a bit of a ditzy moment and forgetting how important it is to make sure that they both have something at the same time. It doesn't always work that way, so somebody is always owed something. Oh, hold on one sec. I will show you the salad that I will be having today. It's just this very simple salad, quite similar to, well, more or less exact really, to the one that I get from Sainsbury's. This one doesn't have quite as much sweet corn in it and is more heavy on the lettuce, but it's whatever. And to go with that, I got these corn cocktail sausages, so I'm very much looking forward to eating that very soon. And that is pretty much the end of this very short and boring haul. The kids have, what is it, Kit Kats. Everybody's gonna be good. So this is what I'm going to be having. I've got 5 gherkins, 6 sausage. Actually, I had 6 gherkins, but I already ate one. Oh, and I'm going to be having these 2 as well. Gosh darn it, I'm really itching to put these nails on, but I did Regina's nails last night and I let her take my glue to school with her just in case one of them like came off. And I don't know where I've put my spare nail glue. It's gonna drive me nuts, so I'm gonna have to dig through a ton of stuff to try and find it. But if I do find it and I manage to get my nails done, I will definitely show you because these are so pretty. Such a nice colour. Good news, I found my brand new nail glue. I've been looking for this forever. Honestly, I've been like, well, I'm gonna have to buy some more because I don't know where my spare one is. Oh, also, I found this. It's a tiny container of lavender oil, which I really could have done with over the weekend just gone, and I was looking for it like a crazy person, and it was, you always find things and it smells so nice when you don't need them anymore. That's literally how it is. Oh, whilst I was doing a search, I also found this tiny Alamis clay wash sample, so I'm actually like have a bit of a beauty moment. And I also found these two, both a Beauty Pro and warming eye mask, which I've never actually used before. Relaxing chamomile self-warming eye mask. I've had this for a good few months now, but the reason I haven't used it is because I don't want to close my eyes for any extended period of time because I'm worried I'm gonna fall asleep. The other one is this rejuvenating. It's got the collagen, seaweed and green tea. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna have a little self-care moment. I'm very sorry that my washing machine is going off right now, but yes, I'm very glad I found my nail glue. This is my favorite one. It's better than the one that actually comes with the nails. Like, I don't use the nail glue that comes with these at all. I usually end up just throwing them away, and I always use Elegant Touch. I'm really super excited to try these red nails because it has been a little while, because as you may or may not know, I had something weird going on with my finger, and it's still looking a little bit rough. But I'm gonna put the nails on anyway. Who cares for an infected finger, right? I'm going to pop on this stretchy hairband that I bought for doing yoga, but as we all know, I have not been in the mood for that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why does it look so funny? Oh my god, makes my ears look huge. Everything is... Maybe my ears are the last of my problems. Nah, let's be real, they really are. Oh my... It looks so cute on the website, and then you try it and it just makes you look like a potato or something with hair. Oh, love that for me. Alrighty, so I'm through in my bathroom with my clay scrub. I've not actually used this before, so I'm kind of interested to see if there's going to be any results just off the one use. I do actually I like a clay mask, and it's been a while since I've used literally anything clay, and it says to just use this by rubbing it onto the skin and then rinsing off. It's not like a leave it until it's dry situation. Oh my gosh, it does smell nice. I'm probably gonna get this stuff all over the headband, but it's fine. I can just pop it in the wash. The top of the little shelving unit that you can see is an absolute state. It used to be always nice, neat, tidy, but since Regina started wearing makeup to school on a regular basis, she likes to do a little bit of eyeshadow with a wing. Super cute. But yeah, ever since she started exploring her makeup options, it's always a mess. Always. Look like I'm gonna do clown face or something. This is hilarious. Love it. Let's have a quick check on the back. Yeah, just rinse thoroughly. Cool. It does smell absolutely divine. Not too heavy, not too chemically, or whatever the word for that is. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of an extra scrub using my handy dandy little brush. Actually, I want the water to just be a little bit warmer. That would be nice. Okay. I wanted to do this before I began fixing out my nails, so that they can set correctly and I'm not trying to fiddly about trying to do face masks and lashes and nails all at the same time. I get a little bit impatient sometimes. It's been a while since I did an actual like sit-on face mask. The one that I did previously, I'm pretty sure it was it was a Beauty Pro one, gold, some kind of thermal type of mask. Anyway, it was like anti-wrinkle. I've not been using them quite as often, and I've actually found that that's been more beneficial to my skin than trying to do one a week. For whatever reason, it doesn't work for me. So now I maybe do one a month, maybe one every 2 months, because it just felt like I was overloading my skin, because I get so irritated with the dryness. Okay, so I'm going to quickly give this a proper wash off and then I will be right back. So that's the clarifying clay wash experience, and just on that one go I absolutely love it. My skin feels like just nice. I don't really know how else to explain it, but it just feels nice and smooth. It's giving me that little bit of forehead shine. Great, love it. I'm there for it. Yes, I'm absolutely going to go and have a look and see if I can find a full-size container of that on eBay, or you know, whatever I manage to find at a relatively decent price. I've decided to go with the rejuvenating mask just to get my full face instead of just targeting my eyes. What I like to do is just slightly heat it up in semi sort of hot-ish water before I put it on, because putting something cold on your face when it's already cold enough You don't need to be doing that. Yeah, it just takes some of the sting out, if you will. I'm pretty sure I've used this particular mask before. I went through a phase of like buying a ton of them on Look Fantastic, which is a beauty site. I originally was getting their beauty box, but I stopped getting it because we've just had too many subscription services going on, as I'm sure a lot of people do these days. Whether it's, you know, something that you're getting on a monthly basis, like some sort of box, through the door box service, or even, you know, Amazon Prime is a friggin' monthly subscription service, and everything's always seems to be going up. Great. Alright, well, that is the mask on, and whilst it is sitting on my face for, I think it says like 15 minutes, give or take, I'm going to start sorting out which of my nails fits on, you know, the best nail on my hand. Well, that's good enough. Good enough for me. The Yale Valley that I have is just the natural one. I appreciate having the extra good bacteria in my stomach, especially after a long time of abuse. Not abuse, but I don't even want to say overeating, but like over snacking. I have roughly half a container, which I know is a lot of yogurt, but gosh darn it, it's good. What is actually supposed to be a portion? I'm not sure. I bet it's like 50 grams or something. And that's me just having it all. There's Lucy going wild with the yogurt. It doesn't say. I can't see anything on the container that says what a portion size is supposed to be. But I bet it's something really small. I bet it's not half. I am totally torn right now. I am torn between having more of those cocktail sausages, gherkins, or having some chocolate. I am like, I'm pretty sure I'm premenstrual. Oh, I need something to put in my lips. I really fancy everything. Let's be real, like, I fancy everything, but what I was going to say is fruit pastels. I really want fruit pastels. Maybe I'll get myself a pack whilst I'm out. Do I really need to eat, or am I just being a massive hogger? Oh. don't know, the pain au chocolat I had the other day was pretty good. Oh. Help me, I need help. Somebody come over and put locks on everything so I can't hum. Okay. I love these things, especially when I put sriracha or barbecue sauce on it. Yes, I like spicy. Spicy is good. It's quite a lot of calories for these little guys. It's 139 calories is 4 of these. That's pretty heavy in my opinion. Oh wow. I don't know if I'm gonna eat all of them. I mean, I'm probably going to. I wonder what my step count is today. I'm gonna go and look. So it's currently sitting at 4,889. So that's not bad. I'm gonna hit what is supposed to be, according to the pedometer that I use. Yeah, I'm easily gonna hit my daily target, which is like 6,000. But as you saw in my, or maybe you didn't, in my previous video, I'm usually doing, you know, at least excess of that. So I can eat an extra sausage. I knew this was going to happen. It's why I seldom get them. Except like in the summer when Regina's home, because she likes to have a picky bits kind of dinner. So, I had the pain au chocolat too. Gosh darn it, they're good. Don't judge me. I'm just on my way to pick up Regina. The neighbourhood on the way to her school is just so quiet. It's such a stark difference to where we live. I don't have a lot of envy, but I do envy those who get to live in the peace and quiet. Golly, that sure would be nice. It's an absolutely gorgeous day, as you can see behind me. Nothing but beautiful grey skies. I do love this area. Honestly, if anything good ever happens, I don't even really know what that means, but if something good were to happen to me, then living in a very peaceful, quiet neighborhood would definitely be my number one wish. Today's dinner is going to be a curry. It's one of my personal favourites. It's not very mega on the spice front, but it is a patak tikka masala. So we are having that with 2 corn chicken fillets each between myself, Andrew and Regina. And we're going to be having a little bit of naan. I usually just cut that into pieces. Depends on my mood. Sometimes I cut it into pieces, sometimes I just cut it into halves. We'll see what happens. Regina made cupcakes at school today. Cupcakes. So I'm going to do a taste test and see how she did. They have a really nice like kitchen facility at her school. It's really good. 10 out of 10 veg.
Should I start a bakery called Reg's Bakery?
You should start baking these at home, but the diet might go out the window.
What, you would eat all of my cupcakes? Save half for Did said he wants to eat half.
Nah.
So
this is my completed dinner for today. I've got sriracha on top of my rice. And I am super hungry, so I'm gonna get to eating it. For my final eating adventure today, I'm gonna be having a Snickers.
If you're mad at me, I'm running away forever, which is a good thing in my opinion.
No one's mad at you, Bubby.
Until they for life until they are dead.
You on camera, son. Pretty proud of myself right now. I really want that gosh darn cereal. I do. And I know it's a sugar thing. So, instead of having the cereal, I brushed my teeth. I made a drink. I'm going to make
For me?
some tea.
You made a drink for
To
me.
distract myself.
You made the
We
drink
don't
for me.
want-
You made the
Yes,
drink
you've
for
got
me.
yes, you've got a drink too, Bubby, okay? Everybody's got a juice. We are having this tea. Because we are not having anything else to eat, okay? I don't know what is going on with me. All I know is that I really want sugar. Times like this are a real battle. They truly are. I'm probably going to make tea for everybody, I think. I'm going to ask Regina if she wants one too. This would be helpful. There we go. Oh, sounds like she's having a little sing-song to herself in the bedroom just now. I'm not going to embarrass her and go through when the camera's on, because she won't like me that very much for that. So I am going to sign off of this video, and tomorrow is going to be the start of a new vlog. We are going to be at the midweek hump, or hump, whatever you want to call it, is that. So we will see what tomorrow brings. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you are having a good day or night wherever you are in the world.